if you're a fashion enthusiast, something that is very key in fashion. So hi and what's up guys, my name is Lizzie and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'm just chilling at home, but you know what, I want to talk about something today, something in fashion. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to it. Yeah, so guys, today I'm just enjoying this beautiful view. It's a nice vegetation view down here. You can see some plantations and the vegetables are doing so fine. Yeah, they're not mine, but you know, I just feel them. Yeah, at a place like this, you can feel the plants. Yeah, you can feel the plants. That's how beautiful they are. So guys, today I'm putting on black jeans and a crop hood. It has a kofia right here. It's a crop hood. Yeah, so my trousers, they have this silver detail going on here. You can see the detail. Yeah, so this silver line it goes way up to the ankle, and we also have it on the other side. And I love the detail because it kind of complements my hood. On today's video, I'm gonna talk about something that is very key in fashion. So if you are a fashion enthusiast, you have to know this: the 5 very important key elements in fashion and design. So I'm gonna talk about 5 fashion elements. If you love fashion and design, then you have to know these key elements in fashion and design. Yeah, so without much talk, let's get to it guys. I'm gonna talk about elements of fashion and design, and I'll just cite out the most important elements of fashion and design. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about 5 elements of fashion and design. So the first element is color. So color is the first thing you notice about a garment. Like right now, I'm wearing this is a jungle green hood, and I'm wearing black pants. It has silver details right here, so you can tell the hood has some writings which is white. Yeah, so you can actually tell the colors from what I'm wearing. What I'm holding is white, I'm seated on blue. That's the first thing the eye catches. Real quick, the first thing the eye catches is color, and that's why we are beginning with color. Yeah, so color is used by fashion designers to create different illusions, and colors are categorized. They have different categories. We have warm and cool colors, we have bright and dull, or rather bright and dark colors. Fashion designers use color to create an illusion of size. For example, you can use black or dull colors to make things look smaller. They're used to create an illusion of distance. So when something is darker and more dull, it looks like it's quite distant or smaller. White and brighter colors are used to create an illusion of size. Like things appear bigger size when they are brighter, or rather they are lighter in color. Yeah, so that is one way fashion designers use to play around with color. Another thing, when you look at color, when you look at a garment, you notice how the colors have been blended well. The way color scheme has been played around with, that is what will make a garment look beautiful, eye-catching, or boring, or dull. You get it? Yeah, so basically that's what color does in fashion and design. The next thing I'm going to talk about is silhouette. So silhouette is one of the most important elements in fashion and design. And silhouette, it's basically the outline of a shape or a figure, you know, how something looks. So for example, this is a square, right? So this is a square silhouette. When you look at the board, how does it look? What shape does it bring about? Another example is this thing right here. When you look at this thing, this one, you can see it's a rectangular shape, right? So that is a silhouette. In fashion and design, silhouettes are basically used to tell of a figure. For example, we have an hourglass figure. You know how an hourglass looks like. It's something like that. We have something like an egg figure, a lamp figure, a trumpet figure, a sheep figure, airline figure, asymmetrical. I think in the last video I explained what asymmetrical is basically. Well, a silhouette is basically a basic shape, outline, or style in clothing. Yeah, like I've given a few examples there. You can tell what I'm talking about when I mention silhouette. The third element that I'm gonna mention is fabric. I guess we all know what fabric is. It's very important to consider the kind of fabric that you choose for a particular design. And fabrics, they come in different textures, they come in different feels, you know, how it feels to the touch, to the skin. You get, like if I feel this pillow right here, you can see the texture. You can actually feel the texture from how I'm touching it. It's really soft and really smooth. Probably the reason why I have this is because I want to have that soft feeling. So you can see that kind of fabric. That fabric, that is a texture. It's one of a type of textures. You can see this front part and you can see the back. You can see that we have different textures. At the back we have this kind of texture is smooth, and then this one is more textured and it's more fluffy. So that's basically what I'm talking about when I talk about different textures. So different fabrics, they have different textures. Some are woven, some are closely knitted together, some are very smooth, some are very, you know, some are shiny. It depends with the feel. So different kinds of fabrics, they tell you the kind of design that you can create using that fabric, and it's very important to know the kind of fabric that you need for a particular design depending on what you want to achieve. Okay, yeah. So the next thing I'm going to mention under the elements of fashion and design is number 4. The number 4 element I'll mention is body shape. Yeah guys, so it's very, very important to note this. Body shape counts a lot when it comes to design, because everybody wants to have that fancy designer outfit. Everybody wants to look fashionable, you know, everybody wants to look fashionable, but there is something very key that leads you to look fashionable. Most of the time we tend to forget that you can just achieve any look in fashion. Yeah, body shape counts a lot to achieving a particular look in fashion and design. If you see something, you want to look like that thing, you have to consider how you look physically first. Many times, and I think this is also from a personal experience, like you see a look somewhere, you see somebody fitted in an outfit somewhere, and you want to look the same as that person, not considering how you look in person. You have to know what is your shape first, what is your size. Okay, before you go fit a particular garment, you have to make sure that you will achieve the same look when you fit that garment. So you have to check into the body shape first. We have different shapes. We have triangular, we have rectangular, we have hourglass, we have egg shape. We have different kinds of shapes, and that is very key and very important in fashion and design. Yeah, so you have to consider shape. Number 5, the last thing I'm gonna talk about. Okay, we have different elements. We have actually more than 10 elements, but in this video I'm just mentioning 5 important key elements in fashion and design. And the number 1 element that and the last element I'll mention is line. Lines are combined strategically to create different visual elements in a garment. So we have different types of lines in a garment. We have the hem lines, then we have a waistline. Yeah, we have a waistline, we have neckline, we have the neckline. For example, I think this is my neckline. My neckline consists of a hood. It has a hood, so this is my neckline basically. And then we also have style lines. Style lines basically consist of seam lines. Lines are also categorized into 2. We have straight lines and we have curved lines. Examples of straight lines, we have horizontal lines, we have vertical lines, we have diagonal lines, and then curved lines, they give an appearance of roundness. So We can have something that is spherical, something that is slightly curved. A line can be spherical, it can be slightly curved, it can be wavy. Curved lines are used to give an effect of roundness, while straight lines are used to give an effect of slimness. I'm gonna mention a few more. We have fabric prints and patterns. We have unity and proportion. We have dress details and decorative designs. We have emphasis. So guys, okay, so that is just to mention a few more. We have several elements of fashion and design, but like I said earlier, today's video was just explaining 5 elements, important and key elements in fashion and design. So thank you for watching till this very end. I hope you learned something, and thank you so much for your support, continuous support. Share this video, comment, like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, definitely you're the first to get it. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. We grow together. Bye.